Download and install the USB driver for a Xerox Phaser 6020 printer. You need to follow these steps. Open a web browser and type Xerox Phaser 6020 printer, driver v and press enter or click on the search icon. From the search results, go to the website, click on the exact printer model that matches yours. Once on the support page, locate the drivers section. Choose the driver that matches your operating system. There might be several options, so be sure to select the one that corresponds to your OS and its version, 32-bit or 64-bit for Windows. Click on the Download button next to the driver listing. Save the file to an easily accessible location on your computer. For Windows, navigate to the location where you saved the driver file, which will typically be in .exe file. Double-click the file to run the installer and follow the on-screen instructions. You may be prompted to connect the printer to the computer via USB during this process. After the installation is complete, you should be able to connect the Xerox Phaser 6020 to your computer with a USB cable. If you are on Windows, you can go to Devices and Printers from the control panel to see if the printer has been added. Once the installation is complete and the printer is recognized by your system, it's always good practice to print a test page to ensure the printer is working properly.